Top-tier t-shirt designs. Ensure that the font you choose is easily readable. This is especially important for one-line designs where the text is a focal point. Avoid overly decorative or complex fonts that might make it difficult for people to understand the message. Certainly, if you'd like a few line arrangement for a t-shirt design, you can break the text into few parts, some for the top and other for the bottom. Impeccable text arrangement is the true artistry behind a captivating t-shirt design, requiring dedicated effort and precision. Crafting a visually stunning t-shirt involves an artful interplay of font sizes, with some words delicately minimized, others boldly enlarged, while a few gracefully cascade in a vertical dance, harmonizing with those elegantly placed horizontally. This meticulous approach ensures the text adorns the garment with sheer beauty. Transforming the canvas of a t-shirt into a work of art involves orchestrating a symphony of design elements. Some words gracefully diminish into negative space, others boldly rise in prominence, a few dance vertically, and some find their elegant place horizontally. This intricate composition weaves a tapestry of beauty, ensuring each element contributes to the visual allure of the garment. In the delicate choreography of t-shirt design, achieving aesthetic perfection requires a meticulous dance of balance and alignment. Ensuring each element finds its rightful place in the masterpiece. After the orchestration of our design masterpiece is complete, we'll seamlessly transition to the digital canvas of Photoshop, delicately affixing it to both the front and back of the t-shirt. This transformative journey ensures that every meticulously crafted element finds its place, creating a wearable canvas of artistic expression. Now, mirroring the artistry bestowed upon the front, we embark on the creation of the t-shirt's reverse. With the same meticulous care, every element is delicately arranged and harmonized, ensuring the back becomes a canvas of equal elegance, embodying the seamless synergy between creativity and craftsmanship. With our meticulous craftsmanship, an exceptional t-shirt design unfolds. Your questions are welcomed, as each detail is a testament to our dedication. If you've found inspiration, let it flourish. Like, share, and subscribe to amplify the beauty we've crafted together. If our shared art has resonated with you, my heartfelt thanks. Until our next rendezvous, may inspiration and beauty always be your companions. Thanks for watching.